This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fitbit Versa 4 to a Samsung phone. To begin, please download the official Fitbit application from your Samsung phone's App Store. It is crucial to ensure your Fitbit Versa 4 is fully charged before you start. Also, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your Samsung phone, as this is essential for the connection process. We want everything ready for a smooth setup. Now, open the Fitbit app on your Samsung phone. If you haven't already, log in or create a new account. Once inside the app, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left corner. From there, select Set up a device and choose Versa 4 from the list. The app will then guide you through finding your tracker. Keep your devices within a few feet of each other for the best connection. Once your phone finds the Versa 4, a 4-digit code will display on your watch screen. Carefully enter this code into the Fitbit app on your Samsung phone. Next, you will be prompted to grant various permissions. Please accept them all for full functionality. The app will then initiate the syncing process, transferring data and applying any necessary software updates. This initial sync might take a few minutes, so please be patient. With your Versa 4 successfully connected, it's time to personalize your experience. Dive into the Fitbit app to customize settings like notifications, alarms, and your favorite watch faces. Remember to keep your phone's Bluetooth active to ensure continuous data synchronization throughout the day. Periodically check the app for new features and important firmware updates to keep your Versa 4 running optimally. Enjoy tracking your health and fitness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.